Progress tag genuinely shows a real task's completion status. Meter tag genuinely shows a real value within a known range. In this video you'll use both real elements. This real progress bar genuinely shows 70 out of a max of 100, ideal for a genuine, actual task completion indicator. Meter genuinely represents a real scalar value within a known range. Here, 60% of the actual real range from 0 to 1. Low-high optimum genuinely let the browser color code this real meter, green, yellow, red zones based on actual real thresholds. Progress tag genuinely represents a real task's completion status. Meter tag genuinely represents a real value within a known scalar range. Meter's low-high optimum genuinely enable real color-coded zones. Build a real progress bar and a real meter showing a battery level. Ready to build a real autocomplete input with data list.